I'm an affiliate for Amazon, all types of stuff. So lots of affiliate programs. But yeah.
Wow, you stay busy.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
So AJ, what businesses do you have? In other words, how many different income streams do you actually have right now?
That's a great question because technically I only have one business, right? But that one business has a lot of different avenues. Actually, I don't have one business because I got the real estate too. Me and my wife have a real estate company as well. But aside from that, that's long-term play. But Clean Biz Network is my one main business. So within Clean Biz Network, I'll try to remember them all. But the first stream is our calculated clean mobile app, which is like my main. That's the future. Like that is my bread and butter right there. That's what keeps me afloat every single month. The calculated clean, my mobile app. Then we have the lead generation, which is also, every single day, that's what's keeping the engine running with our company. Lead generation, that's basically an appointment setting services that we have. So we provide appointments for anybody looking to get more cleaning customers in the cleaning industry, especially commercial. Well, really all we do is commercial. So that's another stream. Then we have our starter kits. So what the starter kits is basically an e-commerce company where you go online to our website, cleanbizNetwork.com. You want to start a cleaning company, we'll mail you your whole starter kit to you with your supplies and everything you're going to need to get started, as well as a virtual course you can take online, a coaching group, and then it also gives you like free access to that mobile app. What else do we have? Just courses by itself in case you don't need a kit. So we got the regular starter course that you can get because you feel like you can get the equipment by yourself. That's fine. Or you can do the advanced course that just came out, which is the Cleaning Business Automation course. So I basically teach you how to go from, that the lower levels of entrepreneurship, maybe that 10 grand a month or lower realm, and start elevating and show you how to basically get customers on autopilot as well as hire to, get those customers clean on autopilot. So that's my new program I just put out, Cleaning Business Automation. So there's 4 streams. What am I forgetting? I got my thing right here, YouTube. Okay, so YouTube. I forgot I got like a whole list of my.
That's awesome.
That way I won't veer off because, you get so many new ideas, looking on Instagram or YouTube, and you would get thrown off. And it's like, I already have the things that can make me all the millions I need.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? So YouTube is the next stream. Doesn't bring me in much, but I get paid from the YouTube ads. And obviously my YouTube channel is free marketing for all of the other streams that we have. And then finally, there's a bunch of little ones in there, like affiliate sales. We get, I got insurance companies that I refer people to. I get money from that. The bookkeeping program that I use, that bookkeeping company that I use for my company, I recommend it to everybody else. And then they send me like gift cards and all that type of stuff. What else? I'm an affiliate for Amazon, all types of stuff. So lots of affiliate programs, but yeah.
Wow, you stay busy.
Absolutely.
That's insane.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.